In this video, we're going to check out a small power bank that packs a big punch, but is still easy on the wallet. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at JEFE Reviews.
My name is Jeff. Hey, JEFE, man.
And this week we're checking out the Blitzwolf Bw-Pf2 power bank. Now, Blitzwolf was kind enough to send this out to me along with an assortment of charging cables free of charge for my honest opinion and review. This power bank is currently selling for $24.99 on banggood.com. Now, I know that I normally post Amazon links for the products that I review, but it seems like this power bank is still pretty new and it still hasn't made it to the Amazon store quite yet. So the link for this below will be for banggood.com since it's only available there at this time. However, I will be including Amazon links for the charging cables that I'm going to show you guys in this video. So feel free to check out all of those links down in the description box below. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here we have it. This is the Blitzwolf Bw-Pf2. Just a basic box here. Some of the basic specs: PF2, 10,000 milliamp hour. Gives you some of the charging specifications. Yeah, let's get this guy out of the box here. All right, so let's see here. Oh. All right, so we've got a user manual, Type-C power bank. Let's see. Multi-language, which is always nice. Just gives you a basic intro on everything going on with it. It isn't very, this isn't exactly a complicated device, so yeah, but pretty straightforward on the user manual. This is their 18-month warranty card, so it's nice to have. 18 months is pretty good. Let's see here, pop that guy out. So this is the power bank itself. As you can see, it's actually pretty small in size. A nice feel to it. This is actually an anodized aluminum case, which is kind of nice. You know, it feels pretty hardcore heavy duty, you know, like it could suffer some drops and, you know, you wouldn't have to worry about it breaking on you, you know, easily. Doesn't feel cheap by any means, so yeah. As you can see here, this is our USB Type A Quick Charge 3.0 port. Here's our USB Type C. This is good for fast charging as well, both in and out. So that's one of the really nice things about a battery bank like this, using the Type C, is that it's both quick charge compatible going both ways. So whereas normally you have a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack taking anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of recharge, this one will recharge anywhere from 2 to 3.5 hours. So that's pretty solid. You know, as far as recharging goes, it does it pretty quickly. And not only that, it's fully compatible with, you know, all the different quick charging technologies for the different phones. So whether it's, you know, your Google Pixel, your Samsung Galaxy, or even I think now the iPhones are also quick charge compatible, using I think their own standard, but it does support those as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, this is pretty solid for what you're getting here. All right, so let's see what else we got in the box here. Set that aside. Okay, so that's it there. So we've got the cable. Let's see what we've got here. Pull this band off. All right. All right, I like the feel of it. It's a flat cable. All right, so it looks like we have Type-C here to a Type A. But what's kind of neat about this is it's actually an adapter. So pop that off. It's also, you know, it's Type-C to Type-C. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that they included this adapter. It's attached to it, so you don't have to worry about it getting lost. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I like that. Yeah, that's a pretty nice feature. So that's all it comes with out of the box. It's going to be this pretty cool cable. Flat cable, has a good feel to it too. Blitzwolf actually makes some really nice products. I've used their cables in the past, along with some of their other products. So, you know, they do make really high quality stuff. But yeah, so that's those. Now, they also sent me an assortment of cables here, as you can see. So right here we have a Type-C to Type-C. Right here we have a Lightning to USB and a Type-C to USB. So these are all available from them. Let me take these out, show you guys the quality of these cables. Been using these for a while. See, it's got that nice bright red nylon braided cable feel. They include that, you know, Velcro tie to keep it all nice and tidy. You got your gold plated connectors here. There's your type C to a USB 2.0 there, so pretty nice. That's that one there. Let's see what else we have here. This is going to be our lightning to USB. This is a 6-footer. I think the other one, yeah, the other one was also a 6-footer. So this one's in there gray with black. I actually like the look of this a little bit better myself. So there's your lightning right there to USB. So yeah, so this one, you know, you could definitely, you know, plug that in to the port on that one. It wouldn't be an issue. You can get your iPhones and things like that charged up. So that's pretty cool. 6 foot's pretty long too. So this will cover whatever you need. You know, if your power outlet or, you know, your power bank is a little far from your bed or anything like that, that'll have you covered nicely. Or if you have it in your car and you want to cable manage it nicely, you know, 6 feet is a good amount to get that done, you know, done well. And then last but not least, this is a type C to type C, and this one is 3.3 foot or 1 meter, also in the gray and black. And this one is just type C to type C. You know, this will be perfect for, you know, your Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy S8, you know, anything that has a type C port like that, perfect for this kind of thing. And then, you know, you could plug that directly into the type C port on here and, you know, charge up your phones nice and quickly. So I've already tested that out and it works like a charm. Yeah, so overall, this is a nice little care package from BlitzWolf. I'm really liking this. The size of this thing is perfect. I mean, you know, this is actually smaller than my phone. So, and it's, you know, it's got good weight to it. It's not overly heavy, but this will easily fit in your pocket, you know, whether, you know, I don't know if pants pocket, but, you know, like your jacket or your hoodie, or you could even have it in the, have it in your backpack and run a cable out from it. Pretty perfect for that stuff. And it feels nice and heavy duty, 10,000 milliamp hour. That's pretty good. You know, that'll give most phones, most modern phones, you know, anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 milliamp hour batteries in most of the modern phones. So this will give you, you know, about 2.5 charges on that, which is, you know, which is pretty good. You know, that's more than you would need for a day for the most part. I know my phone, my S8 Plus, you know, will get me almost the whole way through the day. So having one of these on hand is usually clutch to keep me up and running with all of my mobile phone usage needs. All right, so let's do a quick demo here showing the quick charge function of it. Let's use their included cable here. So let's try the USB type C, and we'll connect this up to my brother's Samsung Galaxy S8. Let's see, he's got an OtterBox on here, so let's pop this open. And there you have it. Fast charging, 54%. And that's going through the USB type C port on this guy. All right, so let's switch that up real quick. Oops. All right, so let's switch that up. Pull that out of the type C port. Let's put that adapter here back on. All right, so now we're going to go through the type A port, the quick charge port here. Back to the type C connection. And fast charging again. So yeah, so I mean, either way you slice it, whether you go through the type C or the USB-A port, either way you're getting that quick charge. So that's pretty neat. I like that. I like having that double option as well. So, you know, if you're not carrying a type C to type C cable with you, you can always go that route. And then also having a USB-A like this, you get the versatility, you know, you get versatility. You can still run, you know, a micro USB cable out or a lightning cable out. So you always have that option as well. You know, you don't always have to use type C, you know, if maybe you're charging a friend's device or something, you know, like I know my wife, her phone, she's got an LG and that one is still using a micro USB. So I'll always carry either an adapter or a second cable so that I can always charge up her devices as well. And you know, I almost forgot to mention this. So as you can see here, we've got the blue LED lights lit up. They just went out. Let me show you this real quick. So you see the blue LEDs are lit. Now watch this top LED here. See that? starts blinking green. That's just to remind you that it is doing a quick charge, fast charge charge at the moment. Best way to put that. But yeah, it's just a reminder that it is working at high speed. So I thought that was kind of neat. You know, that was a nice little touch. I almost forgot to mention that. I hadn't seen that before, so that's pretty cool. So all in all, I really don't have anything negative to say about this BlitzWolf Bw-Pf2 charger. So far it's working great. 10,000 milliamp hours isn't small, but it also isn't too big. It's just enough, you know, to get you through an extended trip or, you know, being outdoors or anything like that. So, but yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. It charges faster than my other batteries. It recharges faster than my other batteries. So, yeah, I mean, I really don't have any downsides to it. It fits perfectly in my pocket, so it makes it great for travel. You know, it's not too heavy, so it won't weigh you down. I really like that it includes that, you know, premium feeling flat cable with the adapter attached to it. So that's a nice touch. And then, you know, at $24.99, it's an unbeatable deal for what you're getting. Now, sometimes they do drop in price. I know recently it was on sale for, I think, 21 bucks. So you never know. I mean, maybe when it hits Amazon, the price may drop or there could be some discounts on it. But in the meantime, it is $24.99 and it's definitely worth it. And I definitely highly recommend it to anyone who can take advantage of its, you know, quick charging capabilities. You know, anybody running the Samsung Galaxy phones, Google Pixel. I know some of the HTC phones, some of the LG phones, and even the iPhone guys. You know, you guys will definitely benefit from this too. So yeah, definitely take a look at the BlitzWolf charger, especially this one, the PowerStorm Bw-Pf2. You guys definitely should take a look at this thing. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the BlitzWolf PowerStorm Bw-Pf2 power bank. Let me know what you guys think of this power bank down in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions or concerns regarding my video, go ahead and leave those in the comment section as well, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. As always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. That's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, please feel free to hit that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope you guys all have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.